Pinakakasuhan na ng Independent Commission for Infrastructure o ICI ang ilang dating opisyal ng DPWH. Kabilang dyan si dating DPWH Secretary Manny Bonoan. Nasa frontline ng balitang yan, si Carrie Cater.
Sa interim report ng Independent Commission for Infrastructure o ICI, ghost project umano ang 72.3 million pesos na riverbank protection structure sa Plaridel, Bulacan, isang proyektong hindi umano natapos pero nabayaran. Kasunod niyan, inirerekomenda ng komisyon na silipin ng Office of the Ombudsman kung may nilabag sa Code of Conduct and Ethical Standards for Public Officials, sina dating Public Works Secretary Manuel Bonoan at mga ex-undersecretary Roberto Bernardo at Maria Catalina Cabral.
Their acts and omissions indicate a failure to secure the required diligence and oversight expected of public officers entrusted with administration of public funds, thereby resulting in evident injury to the government.
Para naman kay Ombudsman Boying Remulla, malinaw ang kapabayaan.
It can be attributed to gross inexcusable negligence, if I'm not mistaken. Being the Secretary of Public Works, it was his job to make sure that things happen properly.
Kasama rin sa pinaiimbestigahan ng ilang district engineers at kontraktor ng proyekto, gaya ni na Henry Alcantara at Bryce Hernandez at Yumir Villanueva ng Top Notch Catalyst Construction. Posibleng makasuhan daw sila ng graft, malversation, falsification at paglabag sa Procurement Act. Giit ng ICI, may matinding sabwatan sa likod ng mga maanumalyang proyekto.
Congressmen and senators are told by DPWH kung saan distrito sila pwedeng magbaba. There are favorite district offices where they give very high SOPs, no? And maliwanag na yon, no, sa findings ng ICI.
Para kay Remulla, may pananagutan din sina Senate President Chis Escudero at House Speaker Martin Romualdez sa naturang pattern ng insertion sa budget.
You're the leader of one house, and the other house is led by Senator Chis Escudero as Senate President. And they were able to come up with that budget, which included insertions, which included diversions of money from what was supposed to be to what became. So that is, if it's not criminal, then it must be negligence. It must be one of them. It cannot be completely, nobody can be completely blameless for that. Leadership principle yan eh. The buck stops with you.
Bukod dyan, magtatatag daw ng task force ang ombudsman para siyasatin ang Villar Family Flood Control Projects, kabilang na ang multi-billion peso River Drive project mula Bacoor, Cavite hanggang Las Piñas. Target daw ng ombudsman na makapagsampa na ng mga reklamo simula November 11 at ayon pa kay Remulla, baka may magpasko na nga sa kulungan. Nagbabalita mula sa Frontline, Carrie Cater, News 5.
Mga kapatid, Cheryl Cosing po. Maging maalam at may pakialam sa mga napapanahong issue at headlines. Mag-follow at mag-subscribe na sa social media pages ng News 5.